Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl here again, and today I'm going to be telling you guys a bit of my hair as well as giving you this dope tutorial on how I pack my hair. So I initially filmed this with a microphone, but it just had this crazy sound. So here is the voiceover just guiding you through. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for, to be honest, because I've tried all my best, but please just help me and subscribe, like, share, comment, all will be appreciated. So this right here is what I'm using to condition my hair. Is a deep leave-in conditioner. It just makes my hair softer, easier to manage. So quick things about my hair. So hair care for me is pretty simple. I always keep it clean, keep it neat. And this is my hair post relax day. I think 2 weeks post relax, post relaxed, and it's been cool. I'm currently dealing with an uneven texture because I use a texturizer and my texture is kind of uneven. So the relaxer I usually use is ORS Organics. I'm considering changing relaxers because, to be honest, my hair has been shedding, breaking a lot, and I'm considering either going natural or texturizing my hair. So right now I'm just combing out my hair after putting in the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just doing a straight line like so, yeah. And then after that I will just make sure my hair is as fine as possible, go over it with a brush and make sure that it looks as sleek as possible. People usually tie their hair, but me, my hair texture is kind of very soft, so it doesn't need a lot of tying and all of that. But I always leave my hair in a satin bonnet, and I always pack it. So like before I washed my hair, I always pack it and tie it with a scarf. I don't apply too much pressure. Tying my rubber band as usual, turn it to the back so you guys can see me properly. I just really hold it down, hold it tight, really tight, so that the hair doesn't come loose. Then tie it, turn it around, tie it again. This is pretty basic for anybody who ties their hair, but it struck me that a lot of people might not understand how it is to tie hair that actually looks pretty decent. So that is why I'm showing you guys this very detailed video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. So after that is done, I'm just going to plait the tip of my hair. This is a trick I kind of discovered to give it that puffed look. Then I will pull it out. So if you look at this video, I did not twist it. I didn't plait it enough because I was in a hurry and it kept losing. So a tip for you here should be plait it down even to like the end of the hair, because when it starts losing, it's because you did not plait it down. I usually use any kind of gel, but today in this video I used the I've forgotten the name, but I'll leave the picture here. So I just use a bit, and then in circular motions, kind of like I'm creating half circles. I go around the hair, the edges, and just go in. I put so much there, so I left it for a bit. After a while I went back to just really push it into my hair. Yeah, I just brush it out. So after that I'll take a small comb and just define the curls of the edges, the shape of the edges. Just do something to line it, I guess. Then after that, doing the edges is pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward because my hair is relaxed. I don't need to do anything serious. After a while it kind of dries and it's hard, like it stays in place. But if your hair is a harder texture, you might want to use a scarf over it just so that it really stays in place. Once I haven't relaxed my hair in a month or two, I usually have to use a scarf sometimes. So one thing you can also do is to make sure that your edges are well laid by using a scarf over it if your hair texture is really hard or coarse. I'm not sure. The word is really strong. So my hair has come undone again. This is really frustrating, to be honest. So yeah, that's it. I'm all done. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. There is a part 2 coming up on how I do a bow bun. Just let me know what you think about this, as well as if you like a hair series and any other hairstyles you would like. So if this is your first time watching, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Watch out for part 2.